Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. And basically what this is a glass screen protector for your phone itself. So they have these for iPhone. But the one that we have right here is for the iPhone 12 Pro. But first thing first, let's actually open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes with the package first. Alright, so when we first open up the product itself, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they provide you guys a camera accessory lens right here if you guys want to use that option. So you just want to apply this onto the back of the camera lens itself. They do provide you guys some accessories right here. So there's 2 packs of accessories, you guys can see. So basically what's in here is like the dry wipes, the wet wipes, and I believe like the dust proof stickers and everything. And then right here they provide you guys a little warranty card and also a tutorial to teach you guys how to apply it on if you guys don't know how to do it. And next we got this little accessory right here that's used to apply the actual screen protector itself correctly. And then on the very bottom we got 2 of these glass screen protectors. Both of them are the same. Let me push it out a little bit so you can see what it looks like. So if you look very carefully on the top part right here, this is a full coverage of the actual screen protector itself. So it definitely fully covers the front of the phone itself. And if you guys look really carefully on the front part right here, they do have a little dust proof net here as well for the speakers or where you guys will actually listen to calls right here on top. And that is basically everything that's in the package itself. Before we actually test it out, I want to talk about some specs about the product itself. So one thing to note is the actual screen protector itself. It has a 3D curved edge, so you can definitely get like a nice feeling when you actually use the screen protector itself, which is pretty awesome. Obviously, the product itself is pretty durable and high quality. It has a 3-layer or triple strengthening technology on the actual product itself. And then the material that they use on the glass screen protector itself is pretty cool because it has this anti-static material. That way it can prevent lint and dust from sticking onto it. So in a way you guys can say that this is actually dust proof, which is pretty awesome. And if you guys remember what I mentioned earlier about this part right here, it has a dust proof net. So you guys don't have to worry about any dust getting on top of this part right here, which is pretty awesome. And obviously, since this is a glass screen protector itself, the material that they use on here is shatterproof. Also, it is an anti-fingerprint and like I mentioned, dust proof as well. And also it's an anti-scratch material, which is pretty awesome. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually go apply it on and see how to apply it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got everything here. It is insane. Let's apply it on and see what it looks like. So when you open up the actual accessory right here, they provide you guys a dust tape right here, a little dry cloth right here, and alcohol pad. So first thing we want to do is to wipe down the screen first. Make sure you guys wipe the middle part and also the side as well. Once you guys can do that, then you guys want to use the dry piece of cloth right here and wipe it down. And once you guys finish that, and you guys want to use the tape that they provide for you guys right here to tape off and remove any of the dust if there is any. So just like that, and you guys want to put this on top right here, and then now you guys are ready to apply this part on. So you want to take off this part right here, and then put this part on like this. Take off the protector itself right here, and just let it go by itself. And you guys can fix the edges right here if needed with your hand. It's pretty easy to kind of fix it, if you guys can see. So that is basically what it looks like once you guys fully apply it on. It has full protection for the front side of the phone itself, you guys can see. Alright, so once we turn it on, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. This one is the one that has full coverage, if you guys can see. It's supposed to be super durable, so if you guys do end up cracking or whatever, you guys don't have to worry about it. It's supposed to be anti-scratch as well, if you guys can see. I'm using the scissors right here. Super durable. Next, let's apply this part on and see how that works. So you guys just want to repeat the same step. Use the little cloth right here. Make sure it's clean before applying on. And then you guys want to use a little dry cloth to wipe it. And then if it's necessary, you guys can use the dust tape right here to remove any dust if there is any. Just like that. Pretty easy and simple. And then you can just apply it on. So just like this. So there's 3 of them right here, if you guys can see. 1, 2, 3. So you just want to remove the tape like this. And this is basically what it looks like. So you just want to apply it on to each one. Alright, so that is all you guys have to do. So that's the first one, and you guys just do the same thing for all of them. And if you guys look very carefully at the way how they design it, you guys can just hook it into the slot right there and just push it in. So just like this. Just push it into the holes. It should fit the slot perfectly because of the way how they design it, which is pretty awesome. Alright, and then you guys are all set. So that way you can get an extra protection layer for the lens itself. But now let's try out the actual camera lens itself and see how it works. Let me move a cup right here so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so there's the cup. So this is the first lens that we have right here. Let's go further. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the lens on. And then there's this one. So you can't really tell a difference even with the lens protector on. So it's definitely really cool. So whether you guys want it on or not, it's basically the same quality. But if you guys do want the extra protection layer, it would be nice to add that layer on top of it. So that way you guys don't have to worry about like cracking your lens or whatever. And if you guys do want to remove it, you definitely can. It's pretty easy to remove it, just like this. And then you guys can just put back on the sticker that they provide for you guys right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So when I guys saw a quick test of the product itself, you guys can see that it is pretty easy to kind of apply it on. As long as you guys do use everything that's provided for you guys, such as the accessory for applying it on right here. If you guys use the accessory right here as well, so the wet wipes and everything else on here. And if you guys follow the instructions correctly and everything, you should be fine and there should be nothing to worry about. But now that we did the unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to protect your phone at all costs, then it's definitely really worth it to get one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, then make sure to smash that like button at the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and help this channel out as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.